This person said they've heard that with wash, dry, fold operations, you should avoid fabric softeners and scent beads. So do you agree with that, or what's your take on that?
I think it's what you're advertising. I know people that, like Waleed out of New York City, is all about the smell,
Uh-huh.
right? How he
Yeah.
brands and produces his product. I mean, he intentionally puts like lavender and other types of fragrances
Sachets.
sachets into the actual packet. So I think smell is entirely depends on your market and how you're building your product. And there's some really interesting scent things that you can do. There's a lot of people that are looking at wash, dry, fold that are allergic. So you need to be able to react to that, right? Because some of these are designed to do two things. They're designed to reduce static electricity, which, you know, nobody wants static electricity, because then you're just like, you know, clinging on to everybody that you walk by. And the other thing is it's supposed to make the fabric feel softer. So what is it doing? It's, again, kind of like the optical brightener. It's leaving the ends of the fabric that are usually breaking off and what creates pilling after wear, the loose ends of cottons and other fabrics. What it's doing is it's laying that down. And how it's laying it down is it's putting a thin coating of wax, basically, or a wax type product on the garment so that it creates a shine. That's two things. The static electricity builds up on the ends of these little tentacles that are the fabric, which is what creates static electricity, electrons on the end of that very, very dry piece of you know, cotton or whatever it is. That's holding electric charge, and that's what creates static electricity. If you knock that down, it eliminates electricity, and it also leaves the fabric feeling softer. So that's what fabric softeners do, and they do it by leaving a residue. Some people can be allergic to the residue, right? A fabric softener sheet, if you take it and feel it, it feels waxy. What it's doing is it's literally coating it. A liquid fabric softener is doing that same thing. It's leaving a residue on the load, and it's going in the last rinse, just like starch does when you're starching shirts, and it goes in the last rinse. So some of it is retained in the fabric, so that when it goes to the dryer, it's also the thing that coats the back end of your dryer and turns it black is fabric softener that's liquid or that's burnt. It's the wax, the coating on your clothes that you need to get off.